Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up SMS with your System IO. So first of all, inside your System IO, go to Twilio account with System IO. So go sign up for Twilio. You're going to copy this, and here you're going to click on Twilio and paste your SID here and your token key here. So copy and go ahead and paste it here and then click on save. Once you do that, your Twilio account will already be connected with a system, and then you will also get your phone number. You select your phone number here in Twilio, and then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on SMS. And now we're going to set up a template. So let's say this SMS is for those people who signed up for one of my workshops. So I'm going to set up a message here. Hi, first name. Thank you for signing, or thank you for registering for the Tripwire funnel workshop. The workshop starts on, let's say, 6th of Feb at 3 p.m. EST. Here, the Zoom link. Now, normally SMS is super short to name this template. So name it after the content. For example, this SMS template is for my Tripwire funnel workshop. Whatever the content of your SMS is. And then you're going to select the phone number that you're going to get from Twilio. And that's it. You're going to go ahead and click save. After saving your template, you are going to start a rule or a workflow. Let's go ahead and create a workflow. And this is what will trigger the SMS. Okay. So click on create, name workshop SMS, save. Workshop, my specific Tripwire funnel workshop, I add a tag on them under automation rules, right? So I'm going to select that tag. So whoever has the Tripwire funnel workshop tag, when they sign up for the workshop, whoever signs up for the Tripwire funnel workshop, I want to send them an SMS. So the action here is going to be send SMS. And then I'm going to select the template that I just created. Okay. And then if you want to add more actions here, for example, aside from sending an SMS, you want to enroll them to a course or subscribe them to a campaign, you can do that as well. All right. Then once you're done, make sure you activate your workflow and go ahead and test it out and see if you get an SMS or not. So I hope you liked this video. It's super, super simple. I now see a lot of people use SMS. So if you're planning to add SMS as a channel to connect further with your audience, make sure that you join my community, Success with Funnels. This is a school community and it is for beginners who want to start the online business, and it is responsible for generating over $5,000 in profit of the funnel inside this community. Plus, I have a brand new challenge called the Passive Income Funnel Challenge. Viral low-ticket funnels that generate leads, and you are going to learn exactly how to start. You also get mentorship inside the calls and ask your questions. You can join today. Just 7 days. It's just $10 per month. You can cancel anytime. No question asked. I hope to see you inside the challenge. Go ahead and click the link below in the comments and join the community right away and take advantage of the 7 days free trial and join the challenge. Let's build your funnel together and let's make sales together. I'm excited to support you and I cannot wait to celebrate your first of many sales with your passive income funnel.